Alright, so here's the difference between a stock European lens, which is this one, and that's the stock USA lens. Today in this video we're going to learn how to remove this light or lens and put on a brand new European style one, because this is a European bus. So I went to a Christmas shopping place and I got a lens, and there I am. I got a brand new taillight with lens. Lenses are a little bit different, a little bit wider, but for a repop and the price, you can't beat the price. Okay, open your engine lid up, and you want to take these two screws out, and this thing's going to fall down, this is going to all fall back, and you'll pull this out. And don't lose these screws. Keep them. Yes, definitely keep these. Okay, the lens comes up. There you go. Lens down. And this thing just. Okay, once the lens is off, then the seal is right here. You gotta push the seal in. Okay, then the seal goes in. And that thing falls into the thing. Then you want to disconnect these two wires and find the other wire for the taillight, and you're going to push this baby back in there. That off. It's the ground wire right here. Take this off. That down. Put the new on, and on the new one you're going to have to the original seals don't fit in this new one. You have to use these repop seals, unfortunately. You have to put it like that, and you're going to turn around, go on here, and just put all this stuff in place. Just slides in. There you go. Then you want to put the light like this through here. Pull it back. Okay, then you want to put the light in like this, down like that. In through the back, push the seal onto it. You need to line these things up. Then you want the original screws. Put the lens back on, put these things on. It's on. lenses. They look quite different from original. Really miss my original. I have to find some original European lenses. Okay, then you take your old stuff and probably want to put it back in the box and put it back on the shelf. And that's that. And that's on there. And then you look at the other side, it's on there. And it's together. I just see that bulb. You can take this like top screw off and push this thing sideways and then slide the bulb in. This is a single filament, this is a dual filament bulb. The colors for the back are red, which is brakes, yellow is turn signals, and there's a white one somewhere here. Yeah, that one. Or wait a sec. Yeah, and I think there's normally white red. I think I colored it white black for some weird reason. Anyways, that one's normally the other light, which is the parking light. It looks something like this. There's the top one, the one wire, there's the bottom wire, there's a ground running off there that I attached to the body somewhere, and that was it. Okay, so now you can look at it, and this is the European lights in. I did the other side earlier, just took these two screws out, unbolted this chrome thing, popped the other lens out, popped the new one in with the seal on it, and then put this on. And put the new bulbs in. A dual filament here and a single filament there. 12 volt or 6 volt, depending upon what voltage your car is. And that's it. It's nicely European lensed. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please click like and subscribe below. Have a great day. Okay, if you put the lenses in, you'll need to use the original, the screws that come with it have to go with it. The Art Deco screws to go with the Art Deco lenses.